Chuck, you've got the final question. Daniel sent us an interesting email. He says a neighbor of his decided to close in his carport. He said he and his buddies, Daniel and his buddies, decided to work the over the weekend to avoid detection. The email does not say detection from who, but he's wondering what happens if you get caught without a building permit. Chuck?
Oh, if you get caught building things that require a permit and you don't have a permit, you get cited, and they can be some nasty fines. I will tell you that I've just seen a fine that J-Town laid down for many thousands of dollars for just
Oh,
such a
oh,
situation. You want to follow the codes. I do know of one house. Man, I wished I'd bought it, but the guy built an entire Wild West saloon in the backyard. He and all his buddies were professionals in their respective fields, plumbing, electric, whatever. They just didn't get the permits. It just kind of was one of those, hey, let's do something on the spur of the moment affairs. Uh, you can always go back and get permits, but if you're caught doing that kind of stuff, big
big,
problems.
big problems. All right. And
Big
on that
problems.
note, a reminder next week 12 ways to clean your home while you sleep. You heard me right. While you're sleeping. Interesting. We want to thank our friends Chuck Crosby, who is the owner of the Crosby Law Offices. They do real estate closings, and you can pick the closing attorney that you want. And he also does wills, and we've talked about that. And I am so much in favor of everyone having a will. And Chuck did mine, and I have to tell you, he did a great job. Powers of attorney, foreclosure defense, commissioner sales, a variety of things. In fact, I'm going to be going to Chuck to update my will because plans are to get married this summer. So that is coming up. Um, I'll tell you more about that down the road. Also, our thanks to Randy Rocky, who's one of the head guys over at Swan Financial. They do a really great job of getting you pre-approved. They shop the loan to get you the best rates. You can reach Randy anytime on his cell phone, 645-0736. My son Gregor does our marketing, photography, and so much more. Thank you for being there. And if you're thinking of selling your home this year, next year, or beyond, or you're thinking you've got look to buy a home, I've got buyer agents as well. Give me a call. I'll come out myself for a free, personal, no obligation estimate of exactly what needs to be done, if it needs to be done, anything, and it may be a very good meeting for you. 376-5483 is my direct cell phone number, or you can go to bobsellslouisville.com. We are out of time. See you next Sunday on News Radio 840 WHAS.